This 2008 KZ Spree 285RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, LP detector, external shower, oven, stovetop burner, DVD player, air conditioning, skylight, refrigerator, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2008 KZ Spree 285RL is 5,843 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.